Welcome to Simei, a cozy neighborhood with a great balance of convenience and serenity. Hi, I'm Sheryl from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Today we're at 141 Simei Street 2 in District 18, Tampines to tour this 5-room corner unit with good privacy and expansive layout. This massive 1313 square feet 5-room flat features an attached balcony, large living area, a roomy kitchen, common bathroom, a storeroom, 3 common bedrooms and a king-size master bedroom with ensuite. Welcoming us as we enter is a cozy balcony that can double up as a lovely lounge space. Spacious and inviting with plenty of natural light that streams in through the large windows. The living room is the heart of this home and a perfect place to unwind. The neutral-coloured walls and wood accent finishings offer a modern take at truly comfortable living. It is wide and spacious with a squarish layout, easily fitting a king-size sofa set and coffee table. The expansive dining space fits a large dining table accommodating 6 to 8 packs. This breakfast bar is perfect for a quick bite or to enjoy your morning coffee. The open concept kitchen is massive and comes with plenty of cabinetry and storage with ample counter space. The sink position has been adjusted to cover a yard space, a clever concept. This home features 4 generously sized bedrooms, perfect for a large family or for those who love plenty of space. They are all squarish and the efficient layout makes them easily customizable and multifunctional, offering countless design opportunities. As you can see, one of the rooms can accommodate a bedroom plus study, complete with a full-length desk. Our master suite is especially noteworthy, roomy and so cozy, easily fitting a king-size bed and has built-in wardrobes that extends across 9 panels in total. The ensuite bathroom and common bathroom were freshly renovated just 4 months ago. This unit has so much space for storage, so you can keep your home organized and clutter-free. We are just 3 minutes walk from Simei MRT on the East-West line. East Point Mall and Simei Plaza are located right beside Simei MRT with 24-hour supermarkets, eateries, services and childcare all within walking distance. Changi City Point and Jewel at Changi are also just a short drive away. Go for a nature walk or jog at Simei Park, which is 2 minutes away. We also have a good range of schools nearby: Angsana Primary, Chongzhen Primary and Changkat Primary. We hope you enjoyed the home tour and can envision yourself living here in a serene neighborhood with all the modern amenities. Reach out to me for an exclusive viewing or to feature your home. I'm Sheryl, Real Estate with Heart and Soul. See you soon!